one. I'm Lucy Nightingale, and this is another one of my inspirational songs. It only took me I've only been learning for 2 minutes, so be easy on me. And I want you to press that thumbs up button at the bottom of the screen down there, down in my fanny hole. Take 2. I'm Lucy Nightingale, and this is another one of my inspirational songs. I've only been learning it for 2 minutes, so go easy on me. You know there's 2 sides to every story. Take 3. Take 4. Hey, I'm Lucy Nightingale, and this is another one of my inspirational songs. And I've only been learning it for 2 minutes, so go easy on me. You know there's 2 sides to every story. See, I don't know why you're crying like a bitch, talking shit like a snitch. Who are you to write a song about me? If you really didn't care, you wouldn't want to share, telling everybody just how you feel. Fuck what I did, it's your fault somehow. Fuck the presents, I threw all that shit out. Fuck all the crying, it didn't mean jack. Well, guess what, yo? Fuck you right back. Fuck you, Peter. Take 5. Take 5. I've got to say it. Fuck you, Peter.